There is such a magical vibe in the clubhouse right now that it brought a snowman to life, and he's here to hit you all with a few cold-ass questions before he melts away. Oh, Frosty the Shademan, are you here?
Oh, no.
Where is he?
Who's the shadiest?
Ooh.
Okay.
There's a chill in the air.
I know, Frosty the Shademan. Frosty the Shademan, you have a question first for Erika Jayne. What is it?
Erika, which housewife do you think could use your glam squad the most?
Well, the list is long.
Yes.
So I'll just leave it there.
Not one from one city?
No.
There's many from many
There's
cities.
many.
Yeah. Help her out, Kim.
No, not gonna do it.
No.
No? Giselle, who's a housewife that could use
You can come
Erika's?
to Potomac
Yeah.
and do your thing on all the ladies.
Okay, very good. All right, here's a question for Kim, Shady Snowman.
No, here you go.
Kim, say 3 nice things about Kenya Moore.
Oh, Lord.
Kim, it is the Christmas season.
Christmas.
Hair.
You like her hair?
She does have pretty hair.
Yes.
Nice hair.
Okay, very good. Okay, here, do you have a question for Giselle?
You know I like her.
Giselle, with whom would you rather spend the holidays? Karen or Monique? Ooh.
I'm gonna be alone.
You're gonna be alone?
I'm gonna be alone.
There has to be one that you would rather spend the holiday.
Karen.
Karen.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, very good. You have a question for Sonja.
Sonia, are you more naughty or nice in the bedroom?
Oh.
I'd say naughty.
That's such an easy question. I'm naughty.
Yes. Very good. Erika, you were convinced of that, right?
I am.
Yes. Yeah.
Yes, I can tell.
Yes.
I love it.
And what were you just saying to Kim about Kenya?
Oh, I just said I'm friendly with Kenya.
You are?
Yeah, that's all.
That's nice.
I know. I know, but that's between you guys.
Yeah, of course.
Me too. I'm friendly with Kenya. Me too.
Oh, all the ladies.
That's why, I like harmony.
Yeah.
I like harmony.
Me too, but.
I know. You guys have got your own thing going.
Okay. Thanks for watching. Watch more clips here and subscribe to our channel here. See ya.